No way in hell I could have been Eve. I would have skinned that snake. I would have made me a purse with the serpent. It wouldn't have went that way. I would have made me some.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a new wig unboxing, shopping for the products I'm going to use for it, and prepping it. So if you're interested in this new wig I got and what I'm going to be wearing for this summer for at least a few weeks, then keep watching. Okay, so it's hot, very hot today. I have air conditioning in one of my rooms, but not the whole place. So this might be a little rushed because it's hot in this bathroom. But I got this wig. Here's the wig. The brand, I got it from Amazon. It says MMIQUS. So Mimicus Ombre headband wig, 180% density, 24 inches. Supposedly. So we will see how it looks. See, I'm already sweating. This is crazy. I do like this little satin pouch because I can always keep store the wig in that. Do like that. That's straight out. Okay, so it looks like it actually might be long. It might be actually just 24 inches. Also got a wig cap, which is good. This is the one I like to use for my scalp. It works. This is the one I like to use. Got a scarf for the edges. You can see it's pretty much a number 4. Like it's like 4, 27, and 30, which I think will be great for the summer. So right out the box, it doesn't look too bad. Looks pretty good. Besides the slight smell, which we all know the wig smell, it's not too bad. But I know I'm gonna wash it. So how much was it? It was like $72. It's like a Velcro elastic band, which isn't too bad. We do have the combs. Okay, so straight out the box, I still have like extra little headbands that I got to go with this, but I still have to do, but wait, this looks pretty long. Let's see how long it goes. It's supposed to be 24 inches. That might be like 24 inches. But here it is out the box. Not too bad straight out the box. I gotta say, I am impressed. But this is obviously, I didn't actually do my edges. I didn't do that, but let's get the products that I'm going to use to wash it. Sorry guys, but the audio cut out, of course. But this is Garnier Fructis, the anti-frizz serum. I used to use this when I was younger, when I used to get my hair, relaxed and straightened. I used to like using this. I didn't even realize that it has, like, you can see apricot oil. What else? Because I was reading it. Dimethicone, just I'm okay with that. I think argan oil. Yeah, it's like argan oil and apricot oil in here. It also has dimethicone. It's a serum that's supposed to have dimethicone. I'm not afraid of cones like that. They're just like a protective layer of your hair. You just got to wash them off. So I'm definitely going to get that. I'm also probably use that on my own hair too, because I haven't tried using Garnier Fructis on my hair in a while. So I'm going to get that. And then I went over to try the Aussie, because people always talk about this Aussie stuff. I've never used it, but I heard I see a lot of people using it, and you see how they're coming up with more products geared toward curls and curly hair, so they know what's going on too. So I looked at that for the mousse for that. It does say coconut oil. However, coconut oil was the only like kind of natural looking ingredient in it, so I decided to put that back. Then I went over to OGX, because OGX is also another good brand. It's pretty good. I believe I've used like the coconut oil shampoo and conditioner, but this mousse had more actual natural ingredients. It also has coconut oil, just like the Aussie, but also has shea butter, PEG-12 dimethicone, which pretty much, I think I kind of researched it before. PEG-12 dimethicone pretty much just means it can kind of like, I think, like absorb into your hair more and actually really be like protecting it. And then panthenol, vitamin B5, which is panthenol, and also hydrogenated castor oil. I'm like, I'm getting this one. And then I had to also add my cocoa nibs. I love this. This is making my hair flourish. A new video will be on that soon. Okay guys, so let's first get this wig washed. We're gonna use hot water, not super hot. Super hot water does make it dry. Already getting too hot. Let's make it less hot. There we go. We do want it to be somewhat hot because you want it to have, not only does heat kind of open up the cuticles, aka like pores in your hair, So not only does the heat open up your cuticles, but also like the pH of shampoos open up your cuticle because of the pH that opens up your cuticles. But warm water, hot water also open up your cuticles, just like cold water closes your cuticles and closes your pores. So cold water rinse is good on both hair and skin. We're gonna add the tea tree tingle. All right, we're done. Okay, and now we're gonna go in with the tea tree tingle shampoo. Conditioner, you know what I'm talking about. With this, I definitely don't want too much. This, I start with the ends, because it's the ends I want more so than the top, because you know the ends are the deadest part of the hair, which is, the hair is just dead protein, it's just dead keratin. So keratin treatments be crazy, making your hair look so amazing. So what your hair is keratin. Get the conditioner in. That's definitely enough. You can see this is pretty saturated. I think that's enough. So let's just also go in and detangle it, because detangling for sure is a big component and curls actually popping, or your curls actually coming through. Curls, waves, coils, whatever you got comes through from really combing through. And this is just like a detangler brush I got off Amazon, like not your typical, definitely no fine tooth comb. I'm sorry, that's a pet peeve. Don't comb to my hair with no fine tooth comb, unless it's straight and pressed out. Do not touch my hair with no fine tooth comb, or unless I guess you're braiding and it's a small section. Because when I take my braids out, I do use a fine tooth comb to kind of get the gunk out and stuff at the root. Look at this. This is going to be beautiful. All right, guys, it's been over 5 minutes. So we're definitely going to do this and rinse this out. Just like my real hair, I'm going to rinse this out with cold water. Make sure this is nice and cold. Even colder than my own hair, because I actually like how it feels when I do a cold rinse. But cold is going to help close cuticle, give it a shine. You know, let this dry some. All right, I don't care if it's my hair, human hair, wig, whatever. I'm using this like microfiber towel to dry it. So what I'm gonna do with the wig, I'm just going to wrap it in this towel. Okay, guys, so don't mind my hair. I wasn't putting it back up in a bun or a puff. So the hair is dried for a little bit. Maybe like 15, maybe like 10 minutes, but it's not like soaking wet. So it looks pretty good. Still looks pretty good. I think it looks pretty good. What am I gonna use? So I'm gonna use this mousse. This is the first time trying this mousse. Like I said, I just picked this out in Target with you guys, just based on the ingredients and stuff like that. But why? Like I said, it is number 3 on hold out of 5. So let's apply this mousse. Of course, always gotta shake mousse, right? Now let me see how it's, you know, I like how some house. How do I do this crap? Oh, you press it like right here. Has like a clean. It has like a clean. I don't know how to describe it besides like a shea butter smell. Let's just add this to the hair. Nope, we're not wasting that mousse. This mousse is pretty thick, so I don't think I need but one. Yeah, I only need 1 scoop of this for this whole wig, that's for sure. I might need more for my own hair, but for this should be good. All right, this mousse through. I do want to also use this serum in the morning too, like on my natural hair and on the wig. Honestly, like Garnier, the Sleekest Moving Anti-Frizz Serum is classic. It's almost like the Tresemme Heat Tamer. It's classic for any hair type. It's classic. And then this also has the perfume? Argan Kernel. It has argan and apricot oil in it. And it only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 It has 9 ingredients. And 9 might sound like a lot, but for a hair product and products, 9 is not a lot. And out of the 9 ingredients, 1 is fragrance, which I don't know if that even counts. And then it's apricot and argan oil. So we're putting this frizz on, yeah, we're putting this on here. Let's open it up. Now, how does this smell? I think it smells like fruity. You would think. Oh, it smells like fruity, but a little chemically, which, you know, whatever. But let's put the serum, start with the ends. It is serum. And then I'll work our way up to the top. This definitely feels soft, though. It definitely feels soft. It smells much better when you put it on. It smells like, yeah, like clean, fruity hair. And I'll just put on the hanger just like this. And hang it right on the shower. Just like that. Scrunch up a little bit more. And let that dry. And then get my ass some cold water and go watch Love Island USA. That's it for this video, and yeah, hopefully I see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Leo. Hold on, let me chill.